Okay, guys, so let's get started with our lemon pepper chicken wings. All right, so here I have already cleaned up some of the chicken wings. They are ready to go. I had 24 pieces, I believe, because there were 12 whole wings and I cleaned them up myself. All right, so here I'm adding a little bit of salt, a little bit of the lemon pepper seasoning that has the salt, some garlic powder. I like my garlic, guys. It's optional. I'm adding some black pepper, as you can see, and we're gonna massage this bad boys a little bit. As you can see, giving it some love. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna add a little bit of all the ingredients we just added and massage it. The best thing I like to do, guys, I like to season my chicken wings like the night before and put it in the fridge. And when I tell you this stuff is delicious, I am telling you it be delicious, okay? But here, as you can see, I'm giving it some love. So here I have a quarter of a cup of all-purpose flour. And see, I made a mess right there, guys. I make mess too, okay? And then I added about a half a cup of cornstarch. So here we're going to season the flour. Very important. Season your flour. Okay, so I added some salt, some black pepper. So basically the same seasonings we use for the chicken wings, guys, we are going to add to our flour and make sure it's well seasoned. So while we are seasoning our flour, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and that like button and that bell icon. That's gonna let you know every time I upload a new video, which is every week, twice a week, guys. So here I am about to flour my chicken wings. So make sure that your chicken wings are covered really good with your flour. And what I like to do, guys, I like to have a rack and I like to start putting my chicken wings. I shake them off really good. Make sure you shake them off really good. And I put them on the rack, okay? And when I lay them on my rack, I like to let them sit, while the oil is heating up. I like to let them sit about 5 to 7 minutes to make sure that flour stick to it. And, it doesn't, a lot of the flour doesn't come on your oil. All right. You want it to stay on your wings, not on your oil. Okay. So that's why I let it sit for at least 5 to 7 minutes after I have floured my chicken wings. Okay, guys. So here, as you can see, I'm placing it on my fire. And my chicken wings, guys, I like to fry them to make sure they are well cooked inside on medium low first. So I let it sit like 5 minutes on one side and about another 5 minutes on the next side. Okay, look at how pretty they coming along. Look at how pretty, guys. You see that? Look at that color right there. That's what you want. Okay, you want your chicken wings to be cooked really good in the inside, also very juicy. Okay, and then of course we want the crisp in the outside, but you want your chicken wings to be very tender in the inside. And when I tell you these chicken wings were just that, they were just that. Okay. So here I'm removing. You see, you still have a little bit of that flour in your oil, but not much because you let it sit for a little bit before you put it in your fire. Okay. And if you have a deep fryer, of course, guys, you don't gotta worry about all of this. But look at this. That's my second batch. Look how pretty that is, guys. Look at how pretty that is. So again, I literally let them cook like 5 minutes on each side on medium low. So right now I'm taking them out. Okay, they are cooked in the inside. But right now we're gonna prepare our butter mix. Okay, so I have 1 stick of unsalted butter. I like using unsalted butter. I added about 1 teaspoon of the lemon juice. And this seasoning right here is lemons and pepper, but it's salt free. Okay, I added some of the garlic powder. All of the ones I'm adding right now, they are salt free, so you could add as much as you want. The only one that has salt is the one I'm adding right now, which is lemon pepper but with salt. So as you can see, I added a little bit of that one and plenty of black pepper. Okay, it's all preference how much you want, okay, of each seasoning. And the whole time I have melted this butter on medium low. Okay, you want it melted, you don't want it burn or anything like that. And I let it sit for at least about a minute or so. So now I'm grabbing my chicken on medium high. Now I got my oil medium high, and I'm gonna toss it right back in the fire. It's called double frying. And I'm telling you, your wings be nice and crispy on the outside. Oh my God. When I tell you this came out really good, they came out really good. Okay, guys. So here, pretty much about 30 seconds on each side, really. 30 seconds on each side, because your wings are cooked. You want this so it could be very crispy on the outside, but also when you do that and then you add your butter mixture to it, like that butter mixture just, oh man, it's just blending so good with it. Okay, so good. So this double frying, guys, you only pretty much like 30 seconds on each side, when I tell you. And you see how I'm tossing in there? Those wings were so crispy in the outside. Oh my God, it's so juicy and tender. And here I go with my mixture. Okay, so right now I only had like 12 wings. I cooked like half of them at one time, so we only gonna use half of the mixture of butter. Okay, and we're gonna cover these bad boys, guys. Woo, when I tell you, this was so good. And then I cut up some carrot sticks, and if you like celery, you know you could pair it up with some celery too. I didn't have no celery. I had some carrot stick, and oh man, and I had some ranch dressing. These were good. You hear me? These were so good. Wingstop, they had nothing on this wings, when I tell you. Oh my God, they were really, really good. And pretty much, guys, they are done. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. And I'm not talking only about beauty. I'm talking about the taste. When you take a bite of these wings, woo, you're gonna enjoy yourself. So make sure you have a nice movie prepare, whatever, because you're gonna enjoy this. If you like your beer, your wine, pair it. Ooh, let me tell you something, you're gonna enjoy being at home. Okay, so this is our final product, guys. Give this recipe a try. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. And thank you again for stopping by. I appreciate each one of you. Thank you again. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, the bell icon, and that like button. Also, guys, start sharing this video. Start sharing this recipe with other people. Okay, I will appreciate that very much. And I will see you in the next recipe. Have a wonderful day.